Hey folks, welcome back to Panzer 966. Here it is, my new car. Well, new to me, because in fact it's a 2015 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS Cabriolet. Whew, that's a mouthful, eh? Beautiful, beautiful machine. So you guys are probably asking yourselves what happened to the Shelby GT350, right? Only had it for about 6 months. I know. Well, when I first bought the Mustang, I was going for a Porsche 911. Wasn't going to be a GTS. It was going to be more of a base model type deal, Targa or Carrera T. But couldn't get the rate location that I wanted. I really wanted that Targa actually, and so decided to pass on the whole thing. Went to Ford, tried a Shelby, amazing car, and I still believe it's an amazing car. But since I got the Macan GTS, it really reignited my love of Porsche. So I went to my dealership, my salesman, which is Porsche Victoria, by the way, guys. And when I saw this car, I was like, all right, 2015 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS Cabriolet. I'm not such a big fan of the Cabriolet, but I do love, like I said, I want to with Targa. I like the open air and all that stuff. So I figured this is all right. Took it for a test drive. Amazing. Last year of the NASA 991.1, 2015. So sound, holy, that sounds amazing. Okay, it's not a Mustang Shelby, but I mean, it really sounds good. Especially that if you look at my page, you guys notice that I had a 2017 for about 24 hours. Did a little review and a few videos on it. It sounded right. It sounded good. There was a Carrera 2S, but the NA sounds so much better in my mind. Yeah, okay, the other one might be faster. Yeah, okay, a few tenths here and there, but I don't know. This one, I don't know. It feels fast and it sounds pretty good. So I'll take the sound over the few tenths maybe. And besides, you got no turbo lag. Now, I haven't been able to fully test it because this car only had 1,900 kilometers on it. See, guys, I'm not lying. 1945, and the last 45 kilometers were me too. So I had 1900 when I first picked it up. So it's not broken in until you do about 3,000 according to the booklet. So I've been babying this thing, try to keep it under 4,000. I've hit 5,000 a few times. It's very hard. This sounds gets really addictive. So yeah, I'm trying hard here, but I can't wait. Once it's done, guys, I'll make sure to do an exhaust video on normal mode, sport plus mode with the exhaust on, and I'll also do a launch control video. So stay tuned. Also, I do intend to autocross this car and probably a few track days. Now it might take a little, well, I won't do it until it's breaking in. Plus I gotta buy a new helmet. My nice Tilo that I bought a few months ago won't work for this one because it's considered an open car, so I need a full face. But and besides, I wanted to try the Macan at autocrossing too. I think it might be a good vehicle for that too. So far I've done about 300 kilometers on the car, and it's really, like I said, I really enjoy it. It feels so much more nimble than the Mustang was, although the Mustang is a great track car, great suspension and everything. I can just whip into the corner with this thing. It's uncanny. It's crazy. Now the rise, it rides much harsher than the Mustang did with the magnetic suspension, but this one feels a bit harsher, but it's really good. I feel I can do a lot of stuff that I couldn't do with the Mustang. It's PDK. Unfortunately, I keep saying in all my previous video that I wanted to stick with a manual and this and that. I did. I really did. But I bought this one used, so it's PDK. My Macan GTS has a PDK. It's an amazing transmission. So, hey, I'm just gonna be faster on the autocross. Oh well, so be it. So, yeah. So that is gonna conclude my initial review of this vehicle. Like I said, I don't have much kilometers. I'll definitely do another video once I break in this engine. So I got another maybe 600 kilometers to do. Should be done in the next few weeks. And then I can really drive the vehicle like it's intended, right? 7,500 RPM. This is where the red line starts. So I intend to take it up there. Once I got the engine breaking in, guys, I'll make sure to do another video. I'll be able to really enjoy that vehicle. Okay, guys, that concludes my initial review of the 2015 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS Cabriolet. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me comments if you're happy about my decision of switching my car. Please share the video. Panzer 966 signing out.